All right, so here's example 2. This is going to involve an imaginary number, but it's pretty much just the same process. So again, when we move 24 to the other side, same thing as subtracting 24, both sides of the equation, if I can write correctly. All right, and then we're going to get x squared minus 8x, leave some space, negative 24. All right, then I want to take half of whatever b is. So b is negative 8, so half of that is a negative 4. So be careful here. When we take half of b and we square it, which is our negative 4, we got to be sure to put that in parentheses and square it in our calculators, because we should get a positive 16. If you got a negative 16, you did it wrong. Okay, negative 4 times negative 4 is a positive 16. All right, and I'm going to add that 16 to both sides of the equation. Okay, so now step 3, we factor this out, which is always the same factor. So x, and then we put whatever half of b was, in this case negative 4, and then we square it. Okay, combine negative 24 and 16 gives us a negative 8. Now that the factoring is done, we're going to square root both sides, just like so. And then we get x minus 4, and we're going to get plus or minus. So if there's a negative inside the square root, it's going to come out as an I. And then if we simplify the square root of 8, that's going to be 2i square root 2. All right, we now have to solve for x. So I'm going to add 4 both sides. Okay, those cancel. I'm going to be left with x equals 4 in the front. Since it's a radical and an imaginary, we can't do much with it. So I'm going to get 4 plus or minus 2i square root of 2. And again, there's 2 answers in this, the positive version and the negative version.